Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Venmo won't let me add my debit card. Make sure that your debit card is compatible with Venmo, as the app supports most major banks but may not work with some smaller banks or credit unions. Double check that you've entered the correct card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing ZIP code. Verify that your debit card is not expired or invalid. If it is, you'll need to add a new one. Also, ensure that your account has sufficient funds, since Venmo may reject a card if it's been declined before or has insufficient balance. If problems continue, contact your bank to confirm there are no restrictions on online or international transactions. Lastly, check your Venmo account for any blocks or issues that might prevent adding a new card, and resolve any disputes before trying again. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.